Have you ever wondered how to install Windows 11? Today we're diving into the world of operating systems to guide you through this process. The first step is to ensure your PC meets the minimum system requirements for Windows 11. These include a compatible 64-bit processor, 4 GB of RAM for desktops or 2 GB for tablets, and 64 GB of storage. You'll also need a DirectX 12 compatible graphics card or integrated GPU, and a high-definition display. Once you've confirmed your system is compatible, you'll need to back up your data. This is crucial because an operating system upgrade can potentially erase your hard drive. Use an external hard drive or cloud service to store your files safely. Next, you'll need to download the Windows 11 installation media. Visit the official Microsoft website and find the Windows 11 download page. Here, you can download the Media Creation tool. This handy tool will guide you in creating a bootable USB drive or DVD with the Windows 11 installation files. After creating the installation media, it's time to install Windows 11. Restart your PC, and as it boots up, press the designated key to open the boot menu. This key varies depending on your PC's manufacturer, but it's usually F12, F9, or the SC key. Once in the boot menu, select the USB drive or DVD you created earlier. The Windows 11 setup will start, and you'll see a screen where you can select your language, time and currency format, and keyboard input method. After making your selections, click on Next, and then Install Now. You'll be prompted to enter your Windows 11 product key. If you don't have one, you can still proceed by clicking I don't have a product key. You'll be able to enter it later after the installation. Next, you'll need to choose the type of installation you want. If you're upgrading from a previous version of Windows, select Upgrade. If you want to start fresh, select Custom. After selecting the installation type, you'll need to choose where to install Windows 11. If you have multiple partitions on your hard drive, select the one where you want to install the new operating system. The installation process will then begin. This may take some time, so sit back and let your PC do the work. Once the installation is complete, your PC will restart and you'll be guided through the initial setup of Windows 11. In summary, the steps to install Windows 11 are: 1. Check your system requirements. 2. Back up your data. 3. Download the Windows 11 installation media. 1. Create a bootable USB drive or DVD. 1. Restart your PC and open the boot menu. 1. Start the Windows 11 setup. 2. Enter your product key. 3. Choose your installation type. 1. Select where to install Windows 11. 1. Wait for the installation to complete. And voila! You've successfully installed Windows 11. With these steps, you can navigate the world of operating systems with ease and confidence. So the next time you're ready for an upgrade, you'll know exactly what to do. Happy computing!